The Hamster Kombat token is going to be going live on exchanges pretty soon, and if you are well positioned now, you'll be able to sell this token when it is time to sell on exchanges and make money. Okay, so in this video I'll be showing you the possible ways you can sell this token. Before I continue, there's a new card you might want to get. Go to the special section and go to new cards, and you're gonna see the card here. It doesn't appear here for me because I've already gotten it. So if I go to my cards, I can see the card. So this right here is the card. If you click on that, this card is going to give you this amount of Hamster Kombat coins, okay, and it's going to be added to your balance, this balance up here. Over here you can see the list of things they've been doing. It says get ready, airdrop is coming soon. They've done the following. The next one is airdrop tax list. Okay, so there are a few things they're going to be telling us to do in order to have this token airdropped, okay, into our wallets. Okay, but what are the possible options we might have from these people to be able to sell our tokens? Okay, so definitely they're going to be asking us to do any of the following three things. Okay, one is they're going to ask us to withdraw to a ton-based wallet. And why are they going to ask us to withdraw to a ton-based wallet? Because the Hamster Kombat token is going to be launched on the Ton blockchain, and that means that if you're going to claim this, you would have to be claiming it through a Ton-based wallet. Okay, and this right here is an example of a Ton-based wallet, Ton Keeper. Okay, you would have to go to your Play Store to download this and install it. I've got a video showing how to do this. I'm going to link it in the description. Another possibility is that they're going to ask you to withdraw to wallet in Telegram. If you didn't know, there is a wallet in Telegram that you can use to receive cryptocurrencies. If you click on this, it is going to show you this right here. This is the wallet in Telegram, and clicking on that brings you to this place. Okay, I've got no money here. So far we understand that one of these tags is going to be either withdrawing to a Ton-based wallet like Ton Keeper, or withdrawing to wallet in Telegram. A second option would be to withdraw directly to an exchange. Okay, maybe Binance or OKX. Okay, we don't know which of those exchanges that they're going to be using. It could be Bybit. Okay, so let's wait for them for this announcement. Okay, so these are the possible options. But if you know anything about crypto, you would agree with me that you cannot withdraw or make any cryptocurrency transactions without paying for gas fees. Okay, so there are two options here for gas fees, and let's break it down. The first option would be to withdraw to either of these wallets. Okay, and if you're going to be withdrawing to any of these wallets, you would need Ton, okay, to pay for gas fees. And why do we need Ton? Because this token is going to be launching on the Ton blockchain, and you will need the native token of that blockchain to pay for fees. The native token of the Ton blockchain is Ton coin, so you would need some Ton in your Ton Keeper wallet. Okay, this one is even too much to pay for gas fees. Something as little as $1 or even $2 is enough, because the gas fees you're going to be paying is going to be in cents. Okay, if you want to know how you can get Ton coin in here, it is pretty simple. I've done a video about it. Okay, you would need to buy this from a centralized exchange and then send it to this place. I have a detailed video, okay, about it. If you want to watch, it's going to be in the description. But there is still another option. Okay, this option is going to be more preferable. Okay, they're going to ask you to pay for gas fees in Hamster coins. Okay, so if they're going to go for this option, Notecoin did this. Okay, that means they're going to ask you to pay for gas fees in the mined Hamster coins. Okay, so what this means is if you mine 50,000 Hamster coins, they might ask you to forfeit 10% of it, or maybe 5% of it. So instead of withdrawing maybe 50,000, you might be withdrawing 45,000 of the coins, or maybe 40,000 of the coins. So you'll be paying for gas fees in Hamster Kombat tokens. Okay, so that would be one option. So if this is the option they're going to go for, then this will be better. Okay, in this case you wouldn't need to withdraw to the Ton Keeper wallet. You would just simply withdraw to a centralized exchange, let's say it's Binance or maybe Bybit, you just go to Bybit, copy your withdrawal address, your Hamster token withdrawal address from there, then you come over here and paste it, and then you withdraw directly to Binance, and then you sell on that platform. So if you're gonna go for this method, it is gonna be easier. You wouldn't have to buy ton coin, you will just have to withdraw to an exchange, sell, and have the money deposited into your bank account. I'm going to be making further videos, detailed videos about these processes. Okay, if you are not subscribed, you might not be able to do this on your own, especially if you don't understand how all of these things work. Okay, so make sure you're subscribed, share this video among your friends, you might be helping somebody. Okay, and a bit of caution here, if they're going to go for this option where you would have to forfeit some of your mined coins for gas fees, okay, it wouldn't be wise sending to Tonkeeper or maybe sending to wallet in Telegram, okay, because anything that makes your coin land in those wallets, to move them to a centralized exchange, you definitely would need Toncoin. So this is gonna be it for this video. My subsequent video about how to sell is going to be uploaded the moment we have a clear picture about what we're going to be doing. Okay, but it is better you have this clear picture now so that you know how to go about it. Okay, so that you don't start running helter-skelter when it's time to sell. Because one thing about crypto is the moment this thing goes live on centralized exchanges like Bybit, the price might initially pump, and that's usually the case for new listings. Okay, and if you are not well positioned now to know what to do to claim it the right way, you might not sell when others are selling, and that's how somebody might make more money than you, and probably you mind more than the person. Okay, the person took advantage of timing, sold when others are selling. Okay, because after the initial pump on exchanges, people will start dumping, the price will drop. Okay, you might be selling when the price has dumped so low. Okay, or you believe in the project, you might want to still allow the coin to be in your wallet. Okay, so you can send to your wallet and allow it to be there, and maybe after 1 or 2 years the coin might still rise in price. Okay, so this is it for this video. This is Big Zell Biz, as you guys can, signing off for now.